So previously we have talked about heat, work और temperature. Now हम बात करेंगे heat के बारे में. तो heat is a kind of energy which flows wherever there is difference वर्ड यहाँ इंपॉर्टेंट लगता है ऑफ टेम्परेचर. तो जब भी दो बॉडीज होंगी और एक बॉडी अज्यूम्ड T1 टेम्परेचर पे है, एक बॉडी अज्यूम्ड T2 टेम्परेचर पे है और T1 T2 से बड़ा है, और अगर हमने इनको कनेक्ट कर दिया तो इसमें हीट फ्लो करेगी T1 से T2 की ओर, क्योंकि ये हॉट बॉडी है, कोल्ड बॉडी है. यहाँ पर एनर्जी इज ग्रेटर with T2 temperature is associated greater with T2 temperature. So whenever we talk about energy, there is a term temperature in it in terms of thermodynamics. So in thermodynamics we deal with conversion of energy, transfer of energy. So let us know about the variables used in thermodynamics. Let me rub this. So there are different variables in thermodynamics with the help of which we can solve the problems. So one of the variable is pressure, and pressure is denoted by P. Another variable is temperature, it is denoted by T, and another is volume, it is denoted by V. Here volume is volume of container containing the gas, and pressure is pressure of gas. Pressure of gas. So we use three variables in thermodynamics: pressure, temperature and volume. And for ideal gases, there is an equation, एक इक्वेशन होल्ड करती है PV इक्वल टू nRT. So whenever there is an ideal gas, we use the equation PV equal to nRT. Here P is pressure, volume, N is number of moles, R is universal gas constant, and T is temperature. Mind you, temperature here is in Kelvin. So if we have a gas and we know its pressure, volume, number of moles and temperature, so we can simply verify the equation if it is an ideal gas. And if we talk about R, it is a constant and its value is 0.0821 when pressure is in atm, atmospheric pressure, which is 1 atm, room pressure, and temperature in Kelvin, and volume in liters. So whenever there is pressure in atm and there exists temperature in Kelvin and volume in liters, so we use R to be 0.0821 units, respective units. So let me talk about conversion of heat. So whenever you heat a body, the heat transferred is converted into energy, which increases the temperature of the body. If you remove the internal energy from a body, that is by cooling it, that is if a body is at T1 temperature and you by cooling reduce its temperature to T2, therefore T1 is greater than T2, there is loss of internal energy. So mainly in thermodynamics and physics we talk about gases and generally real gases. So if there is gas filled here and it's cooled down to temperature T2, its internal energy gets decreased. So we can use the process in the reverse way. If there is a gas at T1 temperature and there is a burner there, which supplies heat, so gas gets heated. Gas gets heated. So whenever gas gets heated, there is some amount of work done on it, or some amount of work done by the gas. There is change of energy and there is change of pressure and temperature. So the internal energy of gas is also gonna change.